Hello everyone. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Philip Hynes. I'm a V-Line and X-Line ProServe consultant, and I'm going to talk to you today about clicks for Magento. So first of all, what is Magento? Magento is an open source e-commerce platform, and it's generally associated with solutions that need to cater for a business to consumer application. And generally that means is if you're selling to the public, this could possibly be a good solution for you. There are over 240,000 active Magento websites. So it's tried and tested, and it's an industry leader. It's easy to implement and highly customizable. So what exactly is clicks for Magento offering? If you could imagine clicks, the piece in the middle between your Magento website and intact Xline, it facilitates getting the information between the two platforms. So if your end user is on and creates a sales order on your Magento website, that information, including the payment information, can be taken and inserted into Xline. And it also provides you with tools to manage your products directly from Xline itself. So if you add a new product into Xline, that can be pushed up to Magento. So I'm going to give you a quick demo of how that all works. Okay, so if we go to our product screen, we can see we have one or two products here. Any information that you change on the product screen here can be pushed up to Magento. We also have Magento-specific options. So you may have products that you maybe don't want to see on your Magento website. So you can configure that all within Xline, and that can be sent to Magento as required. Order management. So say, for example, we know that one of our customers has been on our Magento website and has placed an order. So under the Cloud Services tab, we have a new order management section. If we click here, we can see if we go to our Valid Orders tab, we have a valid order that has come from our Magento website. So if we go to the sales order screen, we can see that has been populated using the cash sale account. That's all configurable in the background. Now, if, for example, if we had a customer who was maybe doing a lot of business with us and we didn't want his sales going into a cash account, we can actually pick a specific account for this customer and associate the Magento customer ID with the intact customer ID. And to do that, we go back to our Magento screen. We can see the customer ID for this customer is 137. So if we quickly add a customer, and we have a new option here on the Options tab. We just fill this in with 137, and that's it. Any subsequent orders placed for this new customer now will be placed will be placed using this cash account. So if we go back to the sales order that we previously created, you can see that there is now the delivery address details on it, so we know who it's going to. We can see the items on the order, but we can also see the delivery charge. So Xline knows how to handle the delivery charge when it comes in, and it adds a new line, and that's how that is taken care of. In addition to that, we can also trigger a notification in Magento. So if we were to supply this order, as we normally do, so it now asks us, do we want to update the Magento order status? And what that means is that triggers the physical order on the Magento website to have a status of shipped or whatever status we set it to. So that can then in itself trigger an email or something to be sent to the customer to say that the order has been shipped. So if we go back to our Cloud Services tab, if we have, say there's a problem with one of the orders that come in, maybe the product code is wrong or there's something wrong with the order, we can see another order has now come in, and if you see at the error list, it says an invalid account code SEJ004. So without having to re-enter this order in manually, we can just simply go to the stock screen, add the product, STJ004, and we go back to the Cloud Services tab and the Magento order screen. Non-valid orders. We have an option to repost this order. So we click post, and the order disappears. It's now become a valid order. So we check that on our sales order screen, and we can see we now have a new order, and it has used the new customer we've just set up there. So in summary, that is essentially how Clicks for Magento works. Clicks for Magento can integrate into an existing Magento website, or it can be a core part of your new Magento installation. It represents a quick to implement solution, and again, it's for business, ideal for a business to consumer solution. So that's it for me. Thank you very much for your time.